Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Rasmus and I'm sitting here in Slikhaar studio in Aarhus. Today I'm going to take my inspiration from the actor Tom Holland and his appearance in the Uncharted and a little bit of Spiderman. So I'm trying to just overall crop his style. For that I'm going to use my favorite products, some of them at least. It's the Sidekick Zero and it's by Vilain Dynamite clay. First I will apply a few pumps. So I'm trying to look in the mirror, see what I'm doing. Yep. Then I'm going to use my brush. It's the skeleton brush along with a blow dryer. And then I'm going to shape it into position. So you can see we have a good quiff going on here, a lot of volume, and also we have a parting going on here, so it's gonna look super classic. We are going with a little bit of a side swept. Right now the hair is, I think it's extremely high, so we're going to shape it with the Vilain Dynamite clay, and I'm gonna scoop out a small amount. Alright. Use the mirror. This is the white tooth comb. It gives a little bit more texture, rough look to it. I think this look right now reminds me of some of the hairstyles that he rocked, but most of them has a little bit more of a wet look to it. So Dynamite clay has a matte finish, so that's what I got right now. If I want that kind of wet texture, I'm simply just gonna take a little bit of the Sidekick, and important with everything that you can spray in your hair, that you just shake it, mix the different ingredients. 2 pumps, and then I'm just gonna apply it like this. Now you can see a little bit of a wet texture. A bit more. Sides. Go. So this was the Tom Holland-inspired hairstyle. I hope you like it. And we're going to do a lot of more celebrity impressions. If you have any suggestions that we could put on the wish list, please write in the comment section down below, and we'll be happy to do them in the future. Also, we are going to make a lot of more hair tutorials with the hairdressers. As you can see right now, I'm sitting in the Slikhaar studio. It's been on the move and we are yet to find agreements with hairdressers to shoot more videos. Please stay tuned here on the channel. See you guys next time.